Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. In today's video, guys, I am making some 4-cheese mac and cheese stuffed turkey legs, and I'm topping them with some delicious shrimp. Of course, this recipe is inspired by the turkey leg cup, but y'all know I had to put my little twist to it. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think of this recipe, and let's cook. Okay guys, so to keep this recipe as simple as possible, I went ahead and bought the already cooked and smoked turkey drumsticks. And I'm going to start by rinsing them off and patting them dry, and then we're going to season them on both sides. Alright, after I'm done seasoning, I'm going to take some butter and put it right on top of the turkey leg. I just took one stick and sliced it up. Now once the butter is on, I'm going to wrap that turkey leg right on up in that foil. Alright guys, so now that I have all my turkey legs wrapped, I'm going to bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on the size that you have. So while they are baking, I did wait till I had like 20 minutes remaining before I actually started on my mac and cheese. So as you can see, I'm going to heavily salt my pasta water, and I'm going to use the jumbo elbow macaroni pasta for this. You can use whatever pasta you want to use, and I just boiled them according to the box instructions, which was about 8 to 9 minutes. Now while my pasta is boiling, I'm going to work on shredding my cheeses. Alright, all my cheeses are shredded, so I'm going to set that to the side, and we're going to work on the roux. So of course we're going to do equal parts butter, equal parts flour. I'm going to do 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to let that butter melt, and then we're going to whisk in the flour. Of course, if you watch my other mac and cheese video, we're going to allow that roux to cook for about a minute or so to cook out that raw flour taste. Alright you guys, so my roux is ready. I almost burnt it, y'all. I have my pot a little bit too high, but I caught it just in time. So I'm going to add in 1 quart of heavy cream. You can also use half and half or milk. Once again, we are introducing something cold into something hot, so you want to add a little bit at a time and whisking as you're adding it in. So once I bring it to a nice little boil, a nice simmer, I'm going to add in my cheeses, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to gradually add my cheeses in. I'm going to add it in a little bit at a time until it gets to the consistency and the creaminess that I want it to. Not too thick and not too loose, y'all. Just right. Alright you guys, my cheese sauce is perfect, so now I'm going to season it to taste. So I'm going to add some Slap Your Mama, some black pepper, and the Morton Season-All. Now you can use whatever seasonings you want, as long as you season it, okay? You do not want a bland mac and cheese. Alright you guys, so this part is actually optional. I'm just extra and I love shrimp, so you can omit it if you want. So I have about a handful of large raw peeled and deveined shrimp with the tail on. I'm going to season them with some blackened seasoning. You can season them however you want. I have about 2 tablespoons of butter in my skillet, and of course I'm going to cook my shrimp until they're done and I'm ready to plate up. Alright y'all, so I'm ready to eat. So let's go and plate this bad boy on up. So I got my turkey leg out of the oven and unwrap. I'm going to spoon on a little juice and I'm plucking away those. I don't know exactly what those are. I just plucked them away, threw them away. And I'm going to spoon on that delicious creamy mac and cheese, y'all. I don't know, y'all like, when you going to stop? I don't know. I'm just going to keep going until I get it nice and full how I want it. Then I'm going to top it with that beautiful shrimp and garnish it with some fresh green parsley. Alright y'all, that's it. That's all. My stuffed turkey leg is complete. Now I know it's quite a process with this recipe, but it's well worth it, you guys. You have to try it. Now I'm telling you, you can get as creative as you want. I see some people stuff with some Alfredo, some dirty rice, y'all. The options are endless. Gotta try it. It's so good, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming and cook with me. Make sure you like this video. Hit that big red subscribe button down below. Comment down below what you guys think of this video. Make sure you turn on, y'all, hit that bell. Turn that bell on so you will be notified as soon as I post a new video. I know I've been slacking, but I'm trying to play catch up, y'all. I'm trying. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.